Let me show you how to download and install applications on your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So to do it, we have to actually open up this application in our app library called Apple Store. So this is essentially what it looks like, and inside here, as you see, you can actually select from different apps, different categories, for example. Okay, or also, for example, we can simply enter the name of the app we want to download. For example, WhatsApp. Then you see it will find the WhatsApp, and to download the application, we have to click this like blue thing over here. So you see, once I click it, it will start to download. Okay. And you see, once downloaded, we can open app's application and set it up. So basically, once you download the app, it will actually get placed on your home screen. Also, you can find these apps in the app library as well. So essentially, you simply swipe all the way back, basically over here. Also, you can enter basically the application name here as well to pull it up. And if you want to move around the application, so you would simply press and hold on any blank space of your screen, and see it start to shiver like this, and then you can literally drag this app and move it wherever you want. Okay, and click done. So you can also move it to the next page or where. And if you want to uninstall the app, we can simply press and hold on it. So click remove app. And you see, we can delete this app. So if you click the remove from home screen, it will simply get removed. But this is essentially how you can uninstall the app as well. Anyway, good luck.